Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Here on the second position we've got sounds and vibrations, so let's tap on it. And the second section is the ringtone section, so we can change the main ringtone, the call ringtone or the notification sound. Let me pick for example the ringtone. As you can see, we can choose the sim for what we want to change the ringtone. So let me pick the first one for example. And as you can see here, we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones. What's more, we can set silent, so your device won't won't announce you any calls. What's more, you can add new ones. Simply tap on this plus icon, and if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here, and you will be able to set them as your ringtone. But let me get back to the defaults. And now if you want to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. And if you found the ringtone which you want to use, then simply tap on it, for example this one, and simply get back. As you can see, it immediately changes, and from now on your device will use this ringtone to announce you that someone is calling to you. Now let's get back and let's choose the notification sound, for example for the second sim. And as you can see, the same situation here, we've got the full list of available ringtones, so let's tap on it, let's listen. And if you are ready to choose, for example, this one, simply tap on it and get back. As you can see, it also immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device will use this particular ringtone. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.